The overall goal of this software program is to simulate the effects of adaptation on visual perception by using a model of how the human visual system adapts to encode color. This model calculates how that encoding changes when the same observer is adapted to different color environments, or when different observers are adapted to the same environment.
This method addresses key questions in cognitive science and neuroscience, such as why sensory systems adapt and what effects adaptation has on perception. The main advantage of this technique is that it incorporates plausible assumptions about adaptation and color vision and uses these to more reliably predict color perception across different environments and observers.
Begin by selecting the desired image to work with, and observe it pop up in the upper left pane. Then, click the Format menu to choose how to represent the image and the observer. Click on Standard Observer to model a standard or average observer adapting to a specific color distribution. Next, click on Natural Spectra or RGB to approximate actual light spectra or the red, green, blue pixel spectra of the image on the monitor. Begin by adapting the same observer to different environments, such as the colors of the current image versus the color distribution typical of a natural outdoor environment. To set these environments, select the Reference and Test environments from the drop-down menus. Then, click the Reference menu to choose the starting environment, which is the environment the observer is assumed to be adapted to while viewing the original image. Next, click the Test menu to choose the new